Set markers for individual points on a line in Matplotlib. I have used Matplotlib to plot lines on a figure. I would like to set the style, specifically the marker, for individual points on the line. How do I do this? To clarify my question, I want to be able to set the style for individual markers on a line, not every marker on said line.
Specify the keyword args line style and/or marker in your call to plot. For example, using a dashed line and blue circle markers. A shortcut call for the same thing. Here is a list of the possible line and marker styles. Edit, with an example of marking an arbitrary subset of points, as requested in the comments. This last example using the Markovery org is possible in Since 1.4+, due to the merge of this feature branch. If you are stuck on an older version of Matplotlib, you can still achieve the result by overlaying a scatterplot on the line plot. See the edit history for more details.
There is a picture show all markers name and description. I hope it will help you.
For future reference, the line 2D artist returned by plot also has a set_markovery method which allows you to only set markers on certain points. See this URL.
A simple trick to change a particular point marker shape, size, is to first plot it with all the other data, then plot one more plot only with that point, or set of points if you want to change the style of multiple points. Suppose we want to change the marker shape of second point. Result is plot with multiple markers.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.